Good afternoon, I'm Chris May, Realtor with Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, and this is my latest listing. Welcome to 25 Horseshoe Court here in Covington, Georgia. This home has a great location, being almost in the middle of the two towns of Conyers to the west and Covington to the east. Just 10 minutes north is the Georgia International Horse Park, and less than 2 miles away is the Earl O'Neal Sports Complex with 8 softball fields plus football and soccer fields, pavilions, and playground. Stick around after you tour the home and I'll briefly show you what the towns of Conyers and Covington have got to offer. So this stepless ranch was built in 2005. It's got just over 2,400 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a formal living room plus a family room, and it has a formal dining room as well as a breakfast area and a breakfast bar, so there's plenty of room for entertaining at this home. It also has huge owner suite with oversized tile bath and twin closets. The 4th bedroom on the front of the house could easily be used as a home office or a library if needed. The kitchen hosts granite countertops, hardwood floors, tons of storage and workspace, and the new quality stainless steel appliances were installed just 2 years ago. The roof was replaced in 2014, and out back there's a large screen-in porch adjacent to a grilling patio. The home sits on exactly 1 acre with an outdoor storage shed for all your yard tools. My sellers and I even have the home appraised just prior to listing, so you can even be sure the price is right. Come on in, take a look around, but don't forget to stick around after you tour and I'll show you what the local area has to offer. I hope you enjoyed your tour around the home, and now, as promised, a brief overview of the area. 10 minutes away is the Georgia International Horse Park, a great place for many festivals year-round, walking trails, and of course horse shows. Conyers to the west has all the typical chain stores and restaurants to choose from, or enjoy a more locally owned flavor in the Old Town Conyers with restaurants such as the Authentic Mexican at Los Flores, or enjoy just a night out at the movies. There's plenty of golf to choose from in the area at either Cherokee Run Golf Club or Honey Creek Golf Club. Then about the same distance to the east is the beautiful historic Covington Square, also known as the Hollywood of the South, because so many TV shows and movies have been or are currently being filmed here. Town Square is loaded with great locally owned restaurants like the Mystic Grill, with the best cocktails in town, or enjoy its rooftop seating and bar to have a bird's eye view of the local concerts on the square. After dinner, shop at one of the many locally owned small home goods stores or locally owned boutiques. Grab an ice cream at Scoop's Ice Cream Parlor and enjoy one of the town events such as car shows or local concerts on the square. There are plenty of paved walking trails around town for an evening stroll or exercise. There's also a newly renovated Legion Field that hosts carnivals that roll through town occasionally, and the Food Truck Fridays. The Yellow River is also close by. Great fun a few times a year and hosted by the local kayak outfitter are evening glow paddles. A great place to meet the locals and enjoy some time on the water. So, great home and great location. Time to come see it in person. If you've got any questions or you'd like to schedule your own private showing, please feel free to call me at 404-803-4669. Do you have a home to sell? I'd love to hear from you as well. Please visit ravingfansrealestate.com and click the About button for more information. My homes always receive professional photos and video just like this one, and they're also placed on 2 local multiple listing services and pushed to over 900 websites. You can also email me at chris.may@coldwellbankeratlanta.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and as always, thanks for watching.